I will start the journey for my PMJF with $100 today.
Dear President, it gives me great joy to celebrate with you and your club on the occasion of your public presentation and fundraising event. Today is more than a ceremony. It is a commitment to service, leadership, and impact our team. Our team this year brings service, committed to serve, call us to return to the art of Lionism. Genuine service to humanity. It is not about recognition of numbers, but about answering call to touch life with sincerity, compassion, and dedication. I encourage you and your team to serve with intentionality, listen to the needs of your community, respond with creativity, and lead with humility. Strengthen the bonds of fellowship in your club. Create opportunity that inspire active participation and build partnership that multiply your impact. As leaders, let us remember that service is most powerful when it transforms both those we serve and ourselves. May your tenure be filled with acts of kindness that brings hope, projects that spark change, and commitment that leaves a legacy of true service. Please accept my best wishes for a successful and fulfilling Lions year. May your efforts bring pride to your club, to our district, and to the global family of Lions. In Lionism, real service.
Celebrating a decade of service, IKEJA Dynamic Lions Club 10th anniversary. The IKEJA Dynamic Lions Club recently celebrated its 10th anniversary, marking a decade of dedicated service to the community. The occasion was also marked by the installation of the new president, Lion Honorable Oladele Adeniran Shomefun, who is set to lead the club into the next phase of growth and service. The celebration was a testament to the club's commitment to making a positive impact in the lives of those around them.
Resilience and unwavering commitment of the ideals of Lionism we serve. I look around this room, I see not just members of the service club, but men and women who have given their time, talent, and resources to transform lives and strengthen communities. Rapidly and with it, the needs of our communities are evolving. Poverty, diseases, inequality, and climate change continue to challenge us, yet as Lions, we know that no challenge is immeasurable. When we serve together with courage and compassion. To the new officers to be installed today, I extend my warmest congratulations. Your election is a call to steward the next chapter of our club story. The baton is now in your hand, and with it, the responsibility to build on the legacy of the past decade, while ushering in the future defined by even greater impact. Lead with vision, lead with humility, lead with conviction that service is not just an activity or a calling. To our outgoing officers and founding members,
I'll be reading my outgoing address. I am truly elected that this beautiful day has come, a day to hand over leadership to our new elected president, and at the same time celebrate our 10th year anniversary. Thank you all for joining us to witness this historic moment. Your presence and support remind us why our club stands tall today, the best club in the district. We also grew our membership by 30% from 57 members to 73 members, earning multiple local and international recognition, and ultimately the honor of being named the best club in the district 2024-2025 Lion service year. None of these would have been possible without our shared passion and unity of purpose. I am deeply grateful to the 2024-2025 Board of Directors, every members of the club, and our partners in service. As we pass the baton, let's keep the fire burning, giving our full support to the new leadership and ensuring our legacy of excellence continues. Thank you all for your trust, love, and commitment in Lionism.
Board of Directors of IKEJA Dynamic Model Lions Club, on behalf of all of us in IKEJA Dynamic, we would
IKEJA Dynamic Model Club
support the district with a sum of 50,000 naira.
Thank you so much, we appreciate it.
Congratulations, thank you. You have been installed. You have been installed as club president and the district governor's presentation on August 2nd. Today we are presenting you to the world, to the entire world, and to the entire district. Distinguished guests, fellow lions, youths, I hereby present to you the club president for 2025-2026 Lion Service Year, Lion Adeniro Shomefun.
Ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not too pleasant, leave your hands standing. So, the next president of town, the top president of IKEJA Dynamic Lion Club, welcome back to the Lion Service Year. Lion,
The club's achievements over the past year were recognized, earning them the award of the Best Lion Service Year in 2024/2025. This milestone is a reflection of the club's tirelessness effort to serve the community and make a difference in the lives of those in need. The club's project and initiative have had a lasting impact, and the new president is poised to build on this success. Lion President Oladele Adeniran Shomefun expressed his gratitude for the opportunity to lead the club and emphasized his commitment to continuing the excellent work of his predecessor. He pledged to do more, leveraging his skills and ability to drive even greater projects and achievements that will benefit the masses and society as a whole. His vision is to take the club to new heights, building on the foundation laid by his predecessor.
My name is Lion Honorable Oladele Adeniran Shomefo. I'm the 10th president of IKEJA Dynamic Model Lions Club. More and more and more. This is our 10th anniversary. IKEJA Dynamic is the only model Lions Club in District 404B to Nigeria. We've been in existence for the past 9 years, and over the years we've been known for excellence. And what we are here to celebrate today is our proud past and then our very bright future. We are expecting more and more and more greatness, more successes, and much more bigger and greater achievements in the Lions service. That is what we're expecting today. My advice to my members is for us to continue to do what we have been doing, supporting ourselves. Let's continue to come together, work together as a team that we've always been. We will achieve much more this way, and we just keep doing all we do best. That is it, which is service. Service to humanity, making the world a better place. We don't have it all, but we are young and dynamic people that serve with our 3 T's. Our 3 T's are time, talent, and treasure. We put all of these resources together for us to serve mankind, to serve the less privileged, and make our community a better place. That is what we do as Lions. My name once again is Lion Honorable Oladele Adeniran Shomefo, MJF NLCF, the 10th president in IKEJA Dynamic Model Lions Club. Thank you so much.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Congratulations, IKEJA Dynamic Model Lions Club is 10. Congratulations, congratulations. Hold on, don't go. Congratulations, Leos, please join them. Leos of the club, join them. Congratulations, many more years. We'll be here to celebrate 20, 30, 40, and we'll be here together in good health, long life, and prosperity. As a friend of the club, let me join you.
Cabinet officers here present, my immediate past district governor, fellow Lions, bills, distinguished guests, friends, and family. At exactly 5:16 p.m., I, Lion Oladele Adeniran Shomefo, the 10th president of IKEJA Dynamic Model Lions Club, hereby strike this gong and gavel for the first time.
Thank you very much.
Guests and friends, it is with immense gratitude and profound humility that I stand before you today as the 10th president of the best club in Lions District 404B2 Nigeria, and arguably one of the best in multiple District 404 Nigeria, IKEJA Dynamic Model Lions Club. I am deeply honored by the trust and confidence you have placed in me by electing me as your president. Thank you. During my time as in the 2025-2026 Lions service year, I will strive to foster an environment where this passion can thrive. I envision a year of renewed energy where we innovate our service projects to better meet the evolving needs of our community. I believe in our people. I believe in our values. I believe in the power of this club. Distinguished Lions and guests, we are reaching out to request your support for a worthy cause. Your contributions, no matter the size, will make a real difference in the lives of those we aim to help. With your generosity, we can collectively achieve our goal and provide essential resources. Let us commit to serving with real purpose and impacting with genuine passion. Together, we will not just serve, but we will change lives. Thank you. I remain yours in service, Lion Honorable Oladele Adeniro Shomefun, 10th President, IKEJA Dynamic Model Lions Club.
As the IKEJA Dynamic Lions Club embark on this new chapter, they are poised to make an even greater impact with a strong legacy of service and a committed leadership. The club is well positioned to continue making a difference in the lives of those around them. The club's future is bright, and their dedication to service will undoubtedly inspire others to join them in their mission to serve and make a positive impact.
I know you go, yeah, Mama. So they will support you. What's your date? When is the installation? December 6th, we go full grand. Tell us, if you do for us, we do for you. No be. It's a pleasure, our friends, our guests. We will see you next year when IKEJA Dynamic is level. God bless you. My name is Josie Jadola. God bless you. Thank you.
I'm ṣe ìwọ tó lù gbogbo mi. Wọ́n sanwó nínú ayé mi já sí fún adéyẹ̀rọ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀ fún ọgbọ́n ìlú àwọn pátá alábíyé alábíyé láti sáré ògbó ẹ̀mí aṣíwájú mi ọlọ́ọ̀bẹ mi bọ̀ omi náà ẹ̀mí aṣíwájú mi. Bóyá torí lọ lábúlé bàbá fi jó sí ẹ̀rẹ́sẹ̀ àwọn fẹ́mi.